Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn off iPhone is too close alert iOS 17. Okay, first things first, open the settings on your iPhone. In the settings, scroll down and look for the screen time option and tap on it. If you have set up a screen time passcode, you'll need to enter it to access the screen time settings. In the screen time settings, you'll find then the screen distance option. Tap on it to access its settings. In here, you'll see an option to disable or turn off screen distance feature. So just toggle the switch to the off position. After that, just confirm the action and the full screen alerts related to screen distance should now be turned off. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn off iPhone is too close alert iOS 17. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.